everyone! Today I'd like to teach you 4 common mistakes that happen in makeup. Let's do it! Learn to identify the skin tone you have, and according to this, choose a base tone appropriate for your skin. Don't pretend to be lighter or darker. In other words, enjoy what you have. Please avoid doing this. Liquid eyeliner is always on top eyelid. Please avoid using it as eyeliner for the bottom part of the eye. This is an error. Please know more if you do it. The right way to delineate the eyes is with a normal eyeliner like this. When you use an eyelash mascara, remember don't use it by combing the eyelashes only upwards, because this is incorrect. The correct way to do it is by first applying the eyelash mascara on the flanges to the sides, then distribute very well, combing downwards and finally upwards. Now guys, to finish, I want to talk about a very common mistake that happened with blush. After you put blush on the brush, the grand thing is that we bring the brush straight to the face. The correct weight would be on our arm. We shake a little bit the brush, and now it's time to do it. Alright guys, hope you like this video. See you soon for more new videos, and if you have suggestions for a special topic about fashion and beauty, please write me. Bye!